What is the most popular definition for domestic violence and abuse? Domestic abuse is any incident or pattern of incidents of controlling, coercive or threatening behavior directed at another person or persons, violence or abuse between those aged 16 or over but not limited to, or for those who are or have been intimate partners or family members regardless of gender or sexuality. This can encompass but is not limited to the following types of abuse, which are psychological, physical, sexual, financial, emotional. The other types of domestic exploit are: controlling behaviors are a range of acts designed to make a person subordinate and/or dependent by isolating them from sources of support, exploiting their resources and capacities for personal gain, depriving them of the means needed for independence, resistance and escape, and regulating their everyday behavior. Coercive behavior is an act or a pattern of acts of assault, threats, humiliation and intimidation or other abuse that is used to harm, punish, or frighten their victim. This definition, which is not a legal definition, includes so-called honor-based violence, female or male mutilation and forced marriage or relationships, and is clear that victims are not confined to one gender or ethnic group. People have arguments, and everyone disagrees with their partners, family members, and others close to them at times. We all do things that which we regret sometimes, and which cause unhappiness to those we care about, but if this begins to form a consistent pattern, then it is